The rest of the house is sleeping. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning, and I thought it was a good idea to go downstream and pick some litter that I saw yesterday. I didn't find the gripper, but I got a bucket with me. We will see if I can pick the litter with the... If you heard that sound, it is the gray heron. I think they hear that I'm coming. Oh, 2 of them. 2 gray herons. The gray heron is here for all of these fishes that are jumping around here. So they have a really easy meal now when the fishes are having like mating season. But the mallards, they are not so afraid of me, so they stay. Now let's pick some litter. This was a lot of trash, and I saw a plastic bottle in here, so might try to get... Oops. Kayak paddle has 2 sides, stand-up paddle only 1 side. That's a reminder for me. Yeah, I think I got this one. The canoe and kayak rental in Högbo. Now and then I get some of these paddles. This could be really fun. What do you think? So this goes. Oops. This one is really slippery. If we can get all this stuff in this one, it will be really full. Swedish snus tobacco that you have in your mouth. No, I forgot my camera. I put it here. I want to show you. Here is where the beaver goes up and into the bushes to eat. Now, when I already are on land, I can go with all the stuff and put that there in the field, and I can go by land and collect it. The downside of going into land is that I'm going to need to clean the kayak later, because listen now and watch here. It's mud, so the kayak will be real muddy. Maybe I can wash it little like this. I just want to make sure that I has taken the litter that I can, and the first thing I see is plastic here that I missed. And not so small either. Mosquitoes looks like, oh, it's a little teddy bear. Ah. And here we have a hose. It looks like a hose. Oh. Maybe I can reach it. Oh. It is good training to pick litter. Get a lot of stretch. These wood that are made by man are tricky because it could be nails in them. All these glass bottles are from people sitting and drinking alcohol, and they just threw them in the river. Now I paddle home for second breakfast, or fika as we call it in Sweden. Now I see some plastic here in the bushes, so I will take that before I go home. I'm going to need to clean the kayak, but it is worth it. It was a lot of trash in the river today. I really hope that you can also pick trash. Click here to subscribe and here to watch more videos. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate that. Feel free to share my videos and see you. Until then, paddla lugnt!